So you've joined BarterPay and your broker is sending you your first customer. It's important to note when you're recording that customer in your bookkeeping or accounting that they are your customer, not BarterPay in the transaction. That way, when you're invoicing, the customer can have a proper invoice made out to them when they need it for the Canada Revenue Agency or whoever may else be auditing them or reviewing their books. So the first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to create the customer. Let's say you're going to do some work for Mark's Auto Body. And you can add a reference number if you want, or you can just leave that blank. The Sage system requires you to have a province. In this case, I'm going to say he's in Ontario. And then when you're looking at the account default that the sales or the revenue will be booked towards on the income statement, you can either choose one of your current accounts, or you could go into your ledger and create a new sales account for BarterPay revenue. Or you can set it up as a department on the account itself. In this case, I'm just going to set it up under the normal revenue account. Obviously, you can set up a delivery address. You're going to want to set up some payment details, so payable in trade dollars, so that when Mark's Auto Body is receiving their invoice, they can see that the amount is payable in trade dollars as has been agreed. You can say the account is BarterPay. And you could make any additional notes that you may want about the connection or details. So now you have your new customer created. In the reference section where you could have actually said, you know what, I want to note when someone's a BarterPay customer. So that I know when I'm looking at my customer list that these are the BarterPay customers, or the customers that are going to pay on BarterPay. Now you're ready to set up a sales invoice, and you do a new invoice to Mark. As you can see, the terms and conditions pre-populates with payable in trade dollars. It's going to be for catering. You're going to do one job for $2,000. And you can see that the total invoice is going to be for $22.60, all payable in trade dollars. Now, if you'd watched the other video with regards to setting up the BarterPay account itself, one of the reasons we do that is so that when you go to record payment against a particular invoice, you are able to choose the BarterPay account, and you can reference the transaction number that was on the transaction in the BarterPay account. And now you've done your first sale to Mark's Auto Body. You were able to issue an invoice to them, so you could say hit print, and you can view that you have an invoice from yourself to Mark's Auto Body for catering. The terms are that it's payable in trade dollars. In this case, the payment has been made and there's nothing left to be paid.